Manage energy costs and help keep your home safe with smart light control. Set up lighting schedules to reduce energy waste during the day but ensure a bright welcome when you return home. And because they can be customized to match your lifestyle, lighting schedules can also serve as a versatile crime deterrent. Make your house look occupied when you're away by setting your lights to come on at sunset or at a slightly randomized time every evening for extra realism. Remotely control the lighting in your home using a single app. And with our Scenes feature, you can adjust the lights along with other smart home devices with the touch of a button, allowing you to create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Set up custom rules to trigger your smart lights based on home events. For example, when a family member comes home and disarms the security system, the light in the front hallway can be set to turn on automatically, adding a layer of security and comfort. Get smart light control and stay connected to your property.